unveils powerful MacBook Pro with M4 chips. Pre-orders open now. Apple recently announced the latest iMac and the redesigned Mac Mini, coinciding with the current Mac-related announcements. The companies launched the new MacBook Pro models in 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pro models, equipped with the M4 series chips, which is claimed to be the world's fastest CPU core and the industry's best single-threaded performance. The latest M4 Pro and Max chips, following the M4 and M4 Pro's significant updates to Apple's iMac and Mac Mini desktops, will offer a faster AI performance and battery life. Standard 14-inch MacBook Pro has also received a small design upgrade, which now includes an additional USB-C Thunderbolt 4 port on the right-hand side in a tantalizing space black option, radiating premium vibes. Apart from the chips and other advancements, the newly launched 14-inch and 16-inch Pros with M4 Pro or Max chips are considerably the first Mac laptop featuring Thunderbolt 5 ports. All three MacBook Pros now support the latest 12-megapixel webcams and can be configured with the latest nano texture display, supporting up to 1000 nits of SDR brightness and 1600 nits in HDR. According to the Cupertino-based tech giant, the M4 Pro and Max support faster GPU cores along with a ray tracing engine. The neural engine also works 2 times faster in contrast to the previous M3 generation for enhanced performance. Additionally, Apple has upgraded the standard configurations of M2 and M3 MacBook Air models from 8GB of RAM to 16GB, which is priced at $999 for the M2. The MacBook Pro 14 price will start at $1,599, while the MacBook Pro 16 will start at $2,499, which is currently available for pre-orders, while deliveries will start from November 8th.